Today we're going to show you how to create custom awards using raw materials. Hey, I'm Rayanne.
And I'm Dwayne.
And we're Engraving. Today we're going to walk you through the process of how to create a custom award. We're going to be using black cast acrylic today and these little stands that we got from Amazon. So Dwayne's going to walk you through the process of how to get your template ready, the settings he uses to cut the template, and the settings that we use for our black cast acrylic. This award was created for a golf tournament. The best thing about being able to create awards from raw material is cost-wise for a business, and that we are able to create any shape and any size that we'd like. So let's jump to our laptop and get started on how to show you how to create your own custom awards.
All right, so here we are. We're just, I got the full template up here, but I just kind of wanted to bring in the IDLP Inu Open logo. And we've done these awards now the last couple of years, and we've done different types. We've gotten them from our supplier, Trolmart and JDS, of acrylic awards that we buy and stuff like that. But this time they wanted to go with something completely custom. And the good part about custom is that you're not going to buy this anywhere else. So that's what we like, to make something unique and different. And obviously they like it too, because they want to get new awards every year and just try different things. So I've got a full template up here, and this is the actual award that will be created. And what I do is I create this full award, I send it to the customer, just make sure that they're happy with everything and the template that I've created. And they just kind of give me a general idea of what to do. So, and then I kind of take that and put it together. So this actual template for the award, I just got online. So this is just a simple template of an award that I've taken in, and I've traced it in LightBurn, and I've created the template for it. So here's the actual logo that they sent to us. And with LightBurn, you can literally go in and trace this logo and take it out just like this logo here. So I'm just going to show you that. So I'm going to go ahead and trace the logo. And you can see here that there's parts that's not highlighted. And all you have to do is just take this bar and move it up. And now you have everything highlighted in there. So you can see that everything is good. You just look in, make sure that it's taken everything out, and click OK. We'll take that away now, and here we go. So I can delete that image that the customer has sent us. So here's our logo. Now with black and clear cast acrylic, I'll use on our AP Lazer SN4836. The settings that I always use for the fill settings are 15 speed, a 19 power, and 0.0025 line interval. And I just find that gives you the best engraving to make sure that it goes through the acrylic properly and that you can see the a nice crisp, clear engraving when it's done. So I can just go ahead and hit enter here. And then our line settings, which is going to be our cut settings, same idea for clear or black cast acrylic. I use a 0.7 speed and an 85 max power and 80 minimum power. And some people wonder why these two numbers are different. And the reason being is that when you're cutting around the edges, it just kind of gives you a smoother cut, and it kind of slows it down a little bit to when you're cutting around those edges, so that you don't get any overburn on it, because that'll take away from the look of your template. So 0.7, 85, 80, and I'll hit enter. So, and this one is set to line, but I can easily go down here to my layer and set it to fill. So here we have our full template. I'm just going to get rid of these. The fonts here, I'm just going to ungroup this for a second and just show you that we've used an Arial black for the 2025, and that we've used just a regular Arial for the bottom portion. So they're good fonts to use. There's lots of hundreds of different ones that you can use out there, but I kind of stick with those because they're nice bold fonts and you can see the images better. So now that we have this set up, what we're going to do is head on over to the shop and just show you how we create these and just show you a real live engraving of how this is really done, and then show you how we're going to clean it up. And just a little bit more about that is when we clean these, there's different ways that people do it, but I like to use the denatured alcohol, which is what you use to clean your lenses of your laser. And for me, that and a microfiber cloth, just to make sure that you get all the overburn that may come when you do it, and the microfiber cloth will prevent it from scratching the acrylic, because obviously if you scratch it after you're done, it's going to take away from the look of it as well. So we want to make sure that those things are done. And yeah, that's all I got for you for now, and we want to jump over to the shop and just show you how to create this. Okay, so we're here at the shop now, and we're going to get ready to send our image over to our laser engraver. So we're going to be using our black acrylic. So this is our 1/8 of an inch, and I just want to show you. It comes with a film on the top, same as the clear cast acrylic, and you got to remove that. So the good part is with the black cast acrylic is actually double-sided. So you can actually engrave on both sides, which is great, especially if you're doing keychains and stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to lay this onto the laser bed and get it ready for the engraving. All right, so we're going to get ready to go here. First, we're going to start our laser engraver. So I'm just going to turn the key on here. And we're all started up. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to send our image over to our laser. And just a little fact, always recheck your settings just to make sure that everything is in there the way that it should be. So we're sending that here now. We've got that sent. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over here and we're just going to use our 2-inch leveling stick to level our material to our laser head. And now we just need to frame our project just to make sure that it's going to be in the area where I am using an already used piece of acrylic. So here we go and just frame it. And just do that one more time. Okay, so now we've got everything set up, everything is level, and we're gonna get ready to close the lid and get the engraving started for you guys. Okay, so this is our completed award. This is the base that we use for the award. So as you can see here, and you can get these in different sizes, but I'm just going to clip it in here. So there you go. And then it can stand up nice and easy. And yeah, so the black acrylic, I mean, it's a good choice to use for all kinds of different projects that you might be doing, whether it's keychains, awards, all these different things. And it looks so cool when it's done. So if you like this video, click our link, subscribe to our video, and we'll be back weekly with other videos just to show you some different cool things that we're doing here in our shop and unique things that we're doing. Bye for now.